Hi students, I am Sekhar Mande. Welcome once again my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn higher order derivatives of chapter number 1 differentiation of standard 12 math second. Now what is meant by higher order derivatives? Now you have already learned dy by dx, that is y with respect to x, that is called first order derivative, right? Now we will start from that. If y is a differentiable function of x, then dy by dx is equal to f dash x. This is first order derivative, right? Now this is again differentiable function of x, so differentiate with respect to x. Now here what is the notation? So d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx f dash x. Now this is denoted as d square y upon dx square or d2y by dx square is equal to इथे बघा काय येणार आहे, f dash it denoted by f double dash x. This is called second order derivative. Again this is also differentiable function of x, so if we differentiate with respect to x, then d cube y upon dx cube, याला आपण परत डिफरन्शिएट केलं तर काय होईल, d cube y upon dx square. Here we get f triple dash. This is third order derivative, and so on. We can write dny upon dx raised to n, here f n x. This is called nth order derivative of y with respect to x, right? But dy by dx first order, d square y upon dx square second order, d cube y upon dx cube is third order. और कंडिशन काय पाहिजे फक्त की हे फंक्शन डिफरन्शिएट झालं पाहिजे, डिफरन्शिएबल पाहिजे, राइट? सो वी कैन डिफरन्शिएट इट अगेन. सो दिस इज थर्ड ऑर्डर, and in this manner we get fourth order, fifth order, nth order. This is dny upon dx raised to n is equal to f n, और डॅश एवढ्या डॅश चेक केले म्हणून n लिहितो आपण. आता याला अजून नोटेशन काय, सो dy by dx can be denoted by, also we can denote dy by dx as y1 or y dash, right? Again d2y by dx square, it is denoted by y2 or y double dash is same. y3 or y triple dash. In this way dny upon dx is to n, this is yn or yn. This is nth order derivative, right? So this is a notation for higher order derivatives. Okay. Now here we will take few examples on second order derivatives. कोणत्या पण second order derivatives काही example हो. First one, let y is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 9. So differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 9. So what do you get? X cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square. 7 outside, derivative of x square is 2x. So you get 14x minus 2. This is dy by dx. Again, this is differentiable function of x. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of dy by dx with respect to x, again 3x square plus 14x minus 2. Therefore, what we get? d2y by dx square 6x plus 14. This is second order derivative of this given function. Y is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 9. Similarly, second one easy एकदम. Second bar, let y is equal to sin of log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of sin of log of x. This is composite function. So sin something is cos of something. Again derivative of log of x. Derivative of log of x is 1 by x. So cos of log of x by x. This is your dy by dx. Again differentiate with, this is a differentiable function of x. So differentiate it. Derivative of dy by dx is equal to cos of log of x by x. Now treat it as u by v. So u constant, derivative of cos of log of x minus cos of log of x constant, derivative of x upon v square, that is x square. So x, derivative of cos of log of x is minus sin log of x, and again derivative of log of x is 1 by x minus cos of log of x into derivative of x is 1 upon x square. So this x and this x get cancelled. So what do you get? In left side d2y by dx square. So what do you get? d2y by dx square is equal to minus sin log of x minus cos of log of x upon x square, or just we can write minus sign is common. So this is second order derivative of this given function sin log of x. बघा लास्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपल्याला वाय दिलं होतं, एक सिंगल फंक्शन दिलं होतं, इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन, एक्सप्लिसिट फंक्शन. आता याच्यात बघा काय दिलं आपल्याला, d2y by dx square if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, and theta is equal to pi by 4. Here we have to differentiate, find dy by dx with, that is one function with another function. This is parametric function. Theta is the parameter. आता y is equal to x is equal to a cos cube theta, differentiate with respect to theta, therefore dx by d theta a derivative of cos cube theta, a 3 cos square theta, again derivative of cos theta, 3a cos square theta. Again derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. This is your dx by d theta. Also y is equal to b sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So we get dy by d theta. Similarly we get 3b sin square theta cos theta. Derivative of this b outside, sin cube से पहले अंदर 3 sin square theta and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now dy by dx is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by d theta 3b sin square theta cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta, right? So therefore dy by dx 3 get cancel, sin square and sin get cancel, cos theta and square get cancel. So what do you get? Minus b by a sin theta by cos theta minus b by a tan theta minus b by a tan theta. Now we have to find d2y by dx square. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx of dy by dx minus b or just minus b by a outside d2y by dx square. Now note that here इथे लक्ष द्यायचं आहे, इथं हा काय थीटा आहे आणि आपल्याला विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करायचं आहे. मग काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला इथं मायनस बी बाय ए. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू डिफरन्शिएट टॅन थीटा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा. आता इथे काय करतो आपण डी थीटा घेतोय जास्तीचं, डी थीटाने काय करतो मल्टिप्लाय करतो डी थीटा डिवाइड बाय डी थीटा मल्टिप्लाय बाय डी थीटा. Again here dx, this dx is continuous here, right? But derivative of tan theta with respect to x काय first d by d theta composite है tan theta with respect to theta we take upon d theta more, so divide by just एवढं लक्षात डिवाइड बाय डी थीटा मल्टिप्लाय बाय डी थीटा अपॉन डी एक्स एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. जस्ट त्याचं मिनिंग तो नाही पण लक्षात ठेवा. डी बाय डी थीटा दॅट इज टॅन थीटा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा अँड डी थीटा बाय डी एक्स. दिस डी एक्स इज हियर, राईट? डिवाइड बाय डी थीटा मल्टिप्लाय बाय डी थीटा. सो व्हॉट डू गेट? d2y by dx square minus b by a. This is sec square theta. Now we have not d theta by dx. आपला जो d theta by dx नाही काय we have, so I can write this as dx by d theta. This d theta by dx I can write 1 upon by derivative of inverse function dx by d theta. Therefore d2y by dx square minus b by a sec square theta. What is 1 upon dx by d theta? Minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Isn't it? So what we get next? d2y by dx square मायनस हा कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटावरती जाताना का सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा मायनस बी सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा. दिस कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा विल गेट सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा. अगेन ये into 3a minus 3a square minus 3a square sin theta, right? Isn't it? So minus minus get plus, p this is sec square, not cos square, sec square theta, 6 raised to 4 theta, this is again cosec theta, this is 3a square only. Sin theta also goes to here numerator, so we get cosec theta. This is your d2y by dx square. Now what you have to find at theta is equal to pi by 4. Just जर आपल्याला नुसतं विचारलं असतं काय, find out d2y by dx square, this is the answer, right? Now when theta is equal to pi by 4, that is d2y by dx square b sec raised to 4 pi by 4 cosec pi by 4 upon 3a square. So b sec pi by 4 is root 2, sec pi by 4 is root 2 3a square. So what do you get? d2y by dx square, root 2 4 times, not 2 times, 4 times काय, square साठी 2 into 2 4, so b 4b root 2 or 4 root 2b, just we write number first, upon 3a square. This is your answer. Now very important example, that if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then show that d2y by dx square is equal to 0. That is second order derivative of this function is 0. Now consider ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. So a derivative of x square, a outside derivative of x square, 2h outside derivative of xy, b outside derivative of y square, right? So what do you get? A derivative of x square is 2x, 2h, here u into v, note that first x and second y, first function constant, derivative of second constant, derivative of first, plus b 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2 is here in your term, that is here, this is second term and this is third term. So divide by 2 or cancel 2 throughout. What do you get? Ax. So here we take hx dy by dx plus, just we take one step more, ax h dy by dx, y derivative of x is 1, by dy by dx is equal to 0, that is ax hx dy by dx plus hy plus by dy by dx is equal to 0. Now collect the term of it dy by dx. So hx dy by dx plus by dy by dx, and take this term non dy by dx in right side, ax minus hy, minus ax minus hy. Therefore here dy by dx common, hx plus by minus sign common, ax plus hy. Therefore dy by dx, this is very important example for entrance exam, also board exam. We remember that if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then its second order derivative is 0. This is question 1. Now when if we differentiate, it will be get very complicated. So go to the our given example. We have ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So ax square 2hxy, I can write 2 times hxy, means 1 time hxy plus 1 time hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get 4 terms. Take common, that is x common, ax plus hy, there is y common, hx plus by is equal to 0. What we need? We need the value of ax plus hy. So I write ax transfer there minus y, this will get minus sign. Now rearrange it. I take ax plus hy, in left side it will in division, that is hx plus by minus y by x. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, dy by dx, this minus sign, and this is ax plus hy, what is value? This is also minus y by x, and therefore plus y by x. So differentiate with respect to x. d2y by dx square, x constant, derivative of y constant upon x square. So what do you get? d2y by dx square, x dy by dx minus y derivative of x. Now what is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? Here is dy by dx is y by x, y by x minus y. This is dy by dx is y by x, just we get 3. So by 3, this dy by dx is y by x get cancel, y minus y upon x square, that is 0 by x square is equal to 0. Okay.